We're going to solve for the future value of a deferred periodic payment stream. Here's the example. Perry opens an investment account and plans to make monthly deposits at the end of each month. However, he cannot start making the planned monthly contributions for 2 years, at which time he will begin his savings plan. If he earns an effective annual rate of return of 5.65%, how much will Perry have in his investment account 9 years from now? Okay, so a little brief summary. Perry wants to start saving, save for 9 years, but he can't start until 2 years down the road. So he wants to know how much he'll earn, basically over a 7-year time span, but not start, but a delayed start. So here we go. Solution. So the mode is going to be the end for this problem because he plans to make monthly contributions for 2 years at the end. Monthly contributions in 2 years, but at the end of each month. So the mode will be end on the calculator. The interest must be adjusted to equal the frequency of cash flows, which is monthly, and the compounding period. Because the effective rate already accounts for compounding, the given rate can be divided by 12 for the TVM calculations. So it'll be 5.65 divided by 12. The N equals 84 since the cash flows occur over 7 years, starting 2 years from now. So it's basically 7 times 12. 7 years times 12 months. All right, and now the inputs for this calculation are as follows. Try to get it all on the screen here. So there's already used blue. Let's go for the present value is 0, right? Because he hasn't started yet. The interest rate is 5.65 divided by 12 because it's monthly. The cash flows are monthly. And interest rate is 5.65. The length of time is 84 months because he's not starting until he wants to start 9 years. He wants the plan to be in 9 years, but he's not starting for 2 years time. So N is 84 because it is 7 times 12, which makes 7 years times 12 months. And the monthly payment he plans to use once he begins this plan is $600 a month at the end of every month. Did I even write that in here? He plans to make monthly deposits. I think I forgot how big. Let's put of $600. Kind of forgot an important component of this question. So he plans to make $600 deposits in his account at the beginning of each month, starting in 2 years. All right. So let's input this data. Of course, we want to first clear our calculator. Second function, alpha 00. And on. Okay. So it's 0, present value, because he hasn't started yet. Excuse me. The interest is 5.65 divided by 12 to get monthly. It's 80 over 84 months at a monthly payment of $600. So what is the future value? Compute future value. So the answer is $61,936. So 9 years from now, Perry's investment account will be worth $61,936, assuming he makes monthly contributions of $600 starting 2 years from now for a total of 7 years and earns an effective annual rate of return of 5.65. I hope this question helps out. So I wasn't too clear at the beginning, but I hope it's clear now that Perry wants to invest for 9 years. However, he can't start for 2 years. So you're essentially calculating 7 years worth of compounding at $600 a month. Okay, thank you. And this is, of course, using the Sharp Professional EL-738XT financial planning calculator.